cadre of education service, he can be transferred to a government school or government college, which comes under the administration of the education service.
As a clerk of same post?
Yes, yes. So he's still a clerk.
Now he has been posted as upper division clerk.
Yeah, UTCC.
Now, what you have detected, this Oyon Das, he has been arrested.
He was arrested long back.
Now, if his appointment is not through the proper channel, appointment letter was not issued by the board. Where is board? This is the face of the disciplinary body. This is the face of the disciplinary body. Now then, Mr. Bhattacharya, is there any necessity of initiating any disciplinary proceeding against this Oyon Das?
No, ought to be. There are two aspects of any action. One is misconduct, which comes under the disciplinary authority, and another criminal misconduct, which goes to the part of the criminal investigation. Now, the state has taken him into custody in terms of the criminal activities committed. But he is yet to face the departmental inquiry, which is
no, that is what my query, exact query is, that his appointment was not through the appointment procedure. Now the board, which is supposed to be the authority to issue the appointment letter,
give him a show cause that how
no,
could you...
my question is very basic now, that if he was not even recommended by commission, he was not appointed by the board, is the board...
No, may I just interrupt? That was in respect of Oyon Kumar Das. Now, Marat, what happened? These persons, being the UDC...
No, don't jump into that. Don't jump to that.
No,
I am on Oyon Das. Whether any disciplinary proceeding can be initiated or at all can be necessary.
If the Honorable Court passes an order that we find the appointment was not there at all, court can pass an order, or court would be pleased to direct the appointing authority. How could you appoint him? And if his appointment is correct, then take appropriate action, so that he cannot come and complain that natural justice is violated, so far I am concerned.
No, in a situation where an appointment was made without giving go by to all known procedure of appointment,
that is void.
That is void. For that,
if the court comes to a finding void, goes. And if the court still keeps hope on the appointing authority, the court will ask the appointing authority to take appropriate action.
Just taking a cue from the recent judgment, the appointment goes without...
The court comes to a finding that this is void.
Therefore, if the the recommending authority is saying that we never recommended Mr. Oyon Das for appointment,
let that be on affidavit. They have not filed an affidavit to that extent.
Let us understand. And the second, if it is found the board takes a stand that since we did not appoint him, we don't have any disciplinary authority over him.
Void.
So then appointment being void will go automatically. Only the natural justice may demand, before declaring, he may be asked to
explain,
get an opportunity of hearing.
That's all.
That's all for Oyon Das. So far, Ashok Kumar Hatua, ex headmaster, he is in receipt of pension.
Possibly. It was stopped.
It has been stopped.
There are previous matters against him, so there was a direction. My lord was looking into that. So that has been stopped. The pensions and everything.
In connection with maybe
in a different case, my lord.
But the stopping is a temporary measure. They have to initiate the proceedings for forfeiting of the pension.
Yes. So the possibly even after the retirement, now the position of law may be subject to what you say. The disciplinary proceeding may be initiated, subject to some formalities being observed. Right?
The law is for grave misconduct. Even after retirement, proceedings can be drawn up because he is getting pension.
Maybe there is a procedure.
Yes.
I'm only point. Now, after all, now tell me about the appointment of Mr. Oyon Kumar Das. So please disclose this fact before this court on, because the court is of the opinion, if he were not appointed, given appointment letter, where is commission, Central School Service Commission, you have not recommended this person, please disclose this fact on affidavit. So far Oyon Das is concerned, so that
if you say that you have not appointed,
that will suffice the purpose.
Yes.
That in my record there is no such teacher we ever issued any appointment letter.
One line affidavit.
And commission may say from consulting records that we never recommended. Then fact remains, before I declare this Oyon Das the service is illegal, I may give an opportunity to Ayan Das to justify
Not only
his
illegal,
appointment.
more harsh action, the forfeiture of salary.
Of course. And whatever the earlier salary, whatever he has to
Yes.
refund all these, and a standard rate of 12% interest. That rate has been affirmed by Honorable Supreme Court. 12% affirmed. Now,
Only one thing, verified properly, we require to see which document he is relying upon. Which document is oil cast is
CID,
without
I'm showing one thing.
the
No,
document,
this will
the
be again
document
applicating
which
the
is not in
responsibility.
existence.
Yes.
Why can't you provide with the document? No appointment letter, no recommendation letter.
then we will not be able to check from our records whether at all there was ever
No,
any.
they can find out the name digitally.
Name here, same names, 100 of candidates.
Mr. Dr. Patro, you are getting the school name, you are getting the person's name,
Appointment here.
year of appointment. That will the CID, Mr. Nondi,
Hey.
share at least something with the board and with the,
Where we can
the
start.
commission, so that they
But I
can.
am doing investigation on the basis of the documents which they are giving, Manat. How can I give them
I
document?
don't know. I don't
But
know.
this is something, Manat, I fail to
No,
understand.
no,
I assist your lordship.
Yes.
With due respect. Because they have counter finding on the basis of the investigation carried out.
Three bench committee.
Yes. No, now the CBI, CID. CID will not has come to a finding that appointment of Ayan Das is non-existent on the basis of the information given by the board and the school service commission. Now the board and the school service.
Sorry, I missed the point. So 3-member committee, they initially found that this is illegal appointment. They actually asked the DI to lodge the FIR.
Ah,
Then no document produced.
May-
Ayan Das.
May just.
Mr. Bhattacharya, so Mrs. Bhattacharya, what I am remembering, that when the name of the Ayan Das came surfaced, this court had directed the 3-member committee to find out the justification of the appointment of Ayan Das. They said, they found that this is not just cannot be justified. And DI was asked to lodge a complaint with the concerned police station. It was lodged. CID was asked to take over. It has been taken over. Now both of your task is rely on your own report, because you are also the member of the committee. You are also the member of the committee. You just disclose on your affidavit, at least you, that I never appointed, I never recommended, I never appointed. Then the court will take the action. Please bring it on affidavit. Now the third question comes about these two person,
No, madam, but this is.
Lokesh and Subroto Tunga.
Let peruse this. Now peruse this also. Let peruse these two format fronts. Now, so far as this Ayan is concerned, but the format is absolutely different. But that was, and the original of that is not available in the DI office. So, this format, this document was created somewhere else, and the job was.
Mr. Nondi, now it is clear that this appointment was approved by the district inspector of school, the then district inspector of school.
But that is not this appointment, this document should have been in the office.
But it is not. Where from you have recovered this?
This-
document? Photocopy
We have received Khamachok school.
from the school record. Therefore, it is apparent. The approval was made by the DI, and this is the appointment channel appointment made.
And the two formats are absolutely
Because
different.
I want to get in the impression, whatever
And
is coming from commission and the board first, let it be on record. Now, these two, Pulokesh and Subroto, they are the employees of the education department. Who is for the state?
The state in this matter, my lord.
Yes. Now, Pulokesh and Subroto,
Now, may I just get back those? Otherwise, it will be mixing.
Pulokesh and Subroto
My lord.
is under custody. They are under custody. They are under custody.
Lord.
They have been suspended. Suspension order issued.
That, my lord, I have to take instruction, my lord. I have no instruction as of now, my lord.
by operation of law,
Law suspension.
they have
Yes.
to.
Now, stay for issuance of
Custody that's custody.
automatic suspension.
my lord, I have no clue, my lord. I have to take instruction from them, my lord.
That who will issue that suspension order? Who will issue that?
When they have arrested, my lord, that my lord, after that, definitely if it is they have not been joined there.
Authority to issue the suspension order. Who is the disciplinary authority? So what is who is the disciplinary authority?
Milord, the employer is Milord the Commissioner of Education. Therefore,
So, my lord, I have to then file a report to that effect, my lord, with regard to these two, my lord.
not that
What to do, my lord? What else I can do, my lord?
you just, Mr. Mollik, inquire
Sir.
the Commissioner of School Education
My
whether the arrest have been reported to him.
I shall, my lord. I
So,
shall.
No, I shall means just go back to your other chamber and call the
No,
commissioner.
my lord. Today is there is a holiday in the state government, my lord. That's another problem for me also. That's why no officer has come today.
free of declaring holiday.
What is the
No,
holiday?
it's a national holiday. Except High Court, everyone is closed. Even the bank also. Mohabit Jayanti. And because of this Mohabit Jayanti, I couldn't go to court, my lord.
The court
Even
asked
the traffic jam in the morning, my lord. I have standed in Howrah nearly 1 hour. So I have decided to come back, doing it virtually.
There is a huge jam because of this
Yes,
bill.
my lord. The rally of the Jains and all these things, my lord. And the walk-up bill and all. There are lots of problems in the morning, my lord.
Next week or anything left behind.
We do not know. It will suddenly overnight you will feel holiday next time.
At least no strike.
But the
Strike has reduced, sir.
But the commissioner has a mobile phone.
Official strike has reduced.
Commissioner has a mobile phone, my lord.
There is no strike.
So just commissioner has a mobile phone. Ask him over phone
I shall, my lord.
that this has been reported to him.
My lord.
Not whose responsibility is this to report it? Obviously, the college where they are working or the authority under whom they are working.
My lord, kindly give me the two names, my lord. I just called him and accordingly I will inform.
He's now authorized him to suspend. Because now he is not in the control of the disciplinary action. Therefore, my lord, please direct the Haldia Government College to take appropriate action against this person.
The name of these two employees,
Lordship.
Maiti,
What Maiti, my lord?
Pulokesh Maiti,
Lordship.
DI, Secondary Education, Purbo Medinipur,
My lord.
and Subroto Tunga, dispatch clerk. Not dispatch clerk.
No, my lord. He is right now the typist of DI of school.
Who?
Secondary education, my lord, Mr. Tunga. The last page, my lord, peruse, my lord, at present position. Sir, it, Purbo Medinipur.
Oh, Pulokesh Maiti is the UDC of Haldia Government College. Haldia Government College. Who is
Lordship.
the
I shall. Haldia Government College is a my lord. Let me talk with the commissioner and I shall revert back within a few minutes, my lord.
The Haldia Government College commissioner cannot be.
I don't think so, my lord.
Our employee milord is sent to some authority, then the disciplinary authority becomes that state authority. Here, the Haldia Government College is an independent body. The governing body of the college will take appropriate action.
So Haldia Government College
Lordship.
and Subro Tunga is the typist of DI office, AC Purbo Medinipur.
My lord. Lordship.
Two.
These are two persons.
We have already intimated the principal of Haldia College
Right thing.
and the DI of that concept
Right thing.
regarding that.
Said already they have been informed. Your task is to inquire from them whether any suspension order has been issued to them and disciplinary action has been taken or not.
I shall revert back to his lordship. Just now, let me talk with the commissioner.
If the general board, the governing body, this is governing body, na? Governing body fails to do so, same thing will happen. DPI will intervene, and again, the college governing body will be dissolved. Administrator will be appointed.
Lordship.
You just inquire of these two. Now, these
I shall.
school is concerned. The school is concerned. Now, come
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
college.
School is over.
Where from I will look into it.
It's a different. That is only so far as Tamluk is concerned. This is a different. Malad can keep that.
Okay,
In.
this is
in respect of
fix
that.
it properly.
Malad,
File it properly.
I'm doing it.
Seal cover. Otherwise, it will be mixed up. Now, the other part of the order is
The other part
The-
was of
Yes, the governing body of this Saldia College, na?
Salvia.
That has been dissolved.
resolved.
Administrator has been appointed.
They preferred an appeal. Appeal court didn't interfere.
My lord, I am for the governing body of the Shaldia College, my lord. We had preferred an appeal on the fact that we have not been given an opportunity before, my lord. So that was taken up by my lord Justice Shomenchan as well as my lord Justice Smita Das, my lord. My lord, now I am not placing that order because
You
it
are
has,
not a governing body. You are no more. You were the governing.
no, my lord, we have been given the direction by my lord Justice Shomenchan that
Listen, you were the governing.
my lord, we have been directed to adjudicate the same issues in front of my lord and the issues of the erstwhile governing body, as we had not been given an opportunity to present our case before my lord. Now, my lord, if my lord is willing to take up that matter, my lord, I'm being led by Mr. Taurav there, but I'll just show one fact, my lord, that we had never denied the DPI that we will not take any action against the principal, my lord, and that is on record. I placed it before my lord. If my lord wants, I will place that exact annexure right now.
Yeah, it's your
Now,
opportunity.
my lord, Sheikh Sirajuddin is concerned, my lord, he has been suspended by the new administrator. The document is I have, my lord, I will hand it up to his lordship, my lord. My
Okay.
junior will hand it up to his lordship.
Next question would be: you are representing the administrator.
Lordship.
Very good. Very good.
My lord, may I just place one more thing, my lord?
Wait.
My lord.
The administrator is before me. The erstwhile GB is before me. The GB is to justify, or rather, they are agreed by the dissolution of the GB. Of course, they will be getting the chance. I'll be allowing you to file your affidavit. File it. It will be.
My lord, it's
time.
filed. It's filed. It's before your lordship.
No, I have not given you any direction to file.
My lord, there was a direction in the order
They
of
have-
the division bench, my lord.
Let me see now.
My lord,
Procedures.
You are not yet added as a party. Wait,
My lord, my-
wait. You have to agitate this. File your application
we
for
have filed
admission.
it before, my lord.
Application.
Let them file affidavit to that. Addition reply, then I will consider your application for addition. But so
Now, my
far,
lord, so far that person is concerned, he has been suspended. The document my junior have, my lord. Biman kagozta diye de Judge Sahib ki.
Administrator is now functioning. The act is functioning. He has taken appropriate steps, suspending the person concerned. To let the situation continue. Erstwhile GB has no focus as of now.
of course, suspension is in contemplation of a disciplinary proceeding.
Yes.
No, my lord, of course, my lord, because now, my lord, disciplinary proceedings has been stayed. Now, my lord, he has been suspended, and I had instructed them, my lord, to take immediately start the DP.
With the go by of the earlier GB, everything has gone.
Yes.
Everything has gone, my lord. Now, kagozta de na re baba Judge Sahib ki. Ki hate niye দাঁড়িয়ে আছিস?
This one. Hey, Dido.
Your Lordship, I am for the respondent number 12, the principal. We have not received any communication till date about the suspension.
Wait. Everyone will be communicated with everything.
দাঁড়িয়ে আছো তুই তো সিনিয়রকে বিরক্ত করে দিচ্ছিস হ্যাঁ
কখন থেকে এটা কাগজটা কি আমি জিজ্ঞেস করলাম লাস্টে কি দিবি ভাই?
সেটা কাজ করছে
This is so far you file your application for addition. Let me see the division bench order
yes
challenging the dissolution of the.
বড় তো কত কিছু বলেছিস তোরা?
প্রথমে লিভ টু ফাইল করতে হয়েছে না আমাকে পার্টি প্যারাগ্রাফ 60
অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ফাইল করেছিস?
করে দিয়েছিল
ক্যান ফাইল আছে ক্যান চা কিছু দিবি না নাকি কাউকে কিছু দিবি না?
স্যার আমাদেরকে ডিরেকশন ছিল শুধু স্টেট আর
ভালো খুব ভালো।
বলে দেবেন
না ঠিক আছে খুব ভালো। বিলি করতে হবে, যত কম দিবি তত বিলি করতে হবে।
Data reputation be search for a direction should
এই তো বলো, বাইরে একটু আসতে করতে।
এই যে হলিডে, এই যে আমি তো যেগুলো কোর্টে নিয়ে আছি, আর তুমি নেই মানে কেউ নেই। ডিপিআই
কিছু তো
So, have you got through this order? As it appears, by granting the erstwhile governing body to file an affidavit in this matter, virtually their addition has been allowed. So, we may formally add them in the matter. And the affidavit which has been, leave has been granted to file an affidavit. You may file it. It is your choice whether you'll be filing such affidavit after seeing the further development of the matter or now, whatever, it is your choice. But all the parties were there, they will be getting the opportunity to file their reply to your. Now, this is the scope of your intervention in the matter, which has been explained by the Honorable Division Bench.
My
You
lord,
are
may I just
willing to
indicate
file the affidavit now?
my lord, it has already been filed and copy has been served to the writ petitioner as
Filed
well as
where?
the state. Can 4 and 5, my lord.
Well, this
In this case, my lord.
can 4 is for
Can 4 is for the impeachment application for addition of parties, and my lord, can 5 is the recalling application, my lord. If my lord takes it
calling
up.
of
Of the order regarding the dissolution of the
how
13-3,
it is maintainable?
my lord, that my lord will.
No, how it is maintainable? The division
My lord-
bench
my
has
lord-
affirmed the order of the only giving you the opportunity.
No, my lord,
The conduct of the governing body.
absolutely, my lord. My lord, if given an opportunity, my lord, I will show that nowhere we had denied to take care of the instructions given to us by the DPI. I'll show, it is on record before my lord.
Sorry.
So there,
But the
right now,
fact remains,
my lord,
you have revoked the suspension
my lord.
of a principal who is directly involved in the illegality, manipulating the appointment of his own wife in a selection process where his wife never participated.
My lord, I bow down.
You want that principal to come to college and teach the students.
My lord, I bow down.
To justify all these things. File your, and you will be getting your opportunity.
Grateful.
Now, the last
Grateful.
part of my order is so far, this is another matter, na? Saldia College goes in view of the development. Now come to Sanjeev Das matter. There I have not much to do. Now what happened? What happened thereafter?
26th March, the division bench passed the judgment.
No, that I've seen.
Yes.
Now what is the position of how? I have not seen. I am only inquiring about the criminal case. Howrah PS case number 105. Who is the investigating officer?
I don't know.
IO, who is the IO?
IO, because I have to attend this and I have to attend, I don't know over there also. He's here.
What is the position?
But present position
He
is
arrested that
No, my lord, we have issued warrant of. My lord, kindly peruse this order. It the
এটা অপর